Hi, I'm Donna Gronewold. If you're listening to this recording, then I have your student in one of our new classes called Quantitative Literacy. Um, it is This is the second year that I've taught this class, but we've got some new resources that we're using in this class this year, and I'm really excited about this new curriculum that we're actually working on. Um, this class is intended to prepare students to take a 4-credit math class in college. It's called a transitional class, and it's run in conjunction with a committee out of Highland Community College. Um, that being said, if your child passes this class with a C or better, they do not have to take a placement test in order to be put into a 4-credit college class at Highland. It doesn't necessarily transfer to other institutions, but we know for sure that it's going to transfer to Highland for you. We cover some really unique units in this class. It's also intended to prepare students for future. So we're actually working on a finance unit right now. Then we're going to move into a probability and statistics unit. We're going to do some review of geometry. We're going to do some review of some intermediate algebra. Some of the other topics that we may get into are voting and apportionment. We may get into some linear programming, all depending on what time allows for us to do. This class takes a unique approach in that it's project-based as opposed to textbook problem-based. We haven't quite got to any project-based stuff yet. We're only in week 3, but your students should be seeing a lot of hands-on activities as well as some textbook activities. If you have questions about this class, I would like you to please let me know. Best way to contact me is email dgronewold with an O at the end, WOLD, at fvdistrict221.org. And you can contact me through Skyward if you need to, if you want to, but sometimes I miss that Skyward message. It's very, very, very subtle, and sometimes it can be there for 2 or 3 days before I see it. And I apologize if that happens. Again, email would be the best way to contact me. Please let me know if you've got questions or concerns. I'm excited to teach this class this year. I'm excited for your students. It's a really good group of kids, and this is going to be a fun year with them. Thank you.